The word lionize comes from lion, an animal that has been a symbol of strength, power, and majesty for ages. Think about it. Lion is often called the king of the jungle, and in many cultures, it is seen as a powerful, courageous figure. So, when we say someone is lionized, we are basically saying that they are treated with the same kind of respect and admiration that a lion gets in the wild. In simpler terms, to lionize someone means to treat them as if they are a big deal, often elevating them to celebrity status. It's like turning someone into a superstar, even if they were just another face in the crowd before. Let's have some examples here. Sachin has been lionized as the greatest cricketer ever. Here, we are saying that Sachin is treated with enormous respect, almost as if he's a living legend. The press tends to lionize young entrepreneurs. This policy is being lionized by the political party. On the flip side, the opposite of lionize is demonize. While lionize makes someone look amazing, demonize does the exact opposite. It makes them look bad, even threatening. To lionize, to make someone a celebrity, to make someone a god, to make someone special.